Women don't ignore you because you're ugly. They ignore you because you're carrying habits that scream one thing: I'm not worth your attention. And the crazy part, you don't even notice you're doing them. Today, I am exposing the habits silently making you a loser, especially in the eyes of women. Fix these, and you'll unlock a different version of yourself and a different quality of woman. This isn't about blaming women. It's about showing you the habits that kill your confidence, your ambition, and your attractiveness. If you take this seriously, your life won't just improve, it will transform. Habit number 1, low energy aura. Ever walk into a room and feel like nobody even noticed you existed? That's not bad luck. That's low energy. Women don't feel attracted to the guy who moves slow, talks soft, slouches into himself, and looks like life defeated him months ago. Your energy speaks before your words do. When your energy is low, you look invisible, you look forgettable, you look like a man who hasn't fought for anything in a long time. High energy isn't about screaming or being loud. It's about presence, momentum, direction. Fix your energy, and your attractiveness rises instantly. Habit number 2, the validation hunger. This isn't internet alpha talk. What I'm about to reveal comes straight from the psychology of human behavior. The stuff people rarely discuss openly. Ignore it, and it will quietly sabotage your life. Nothing pushes women away faster than desperation for attention, the double texting, the checking your phone every 2 minutes, the please respond energy. Women can smell insecurity like perfume, and here's the truth. When you chase women, you become unattractive, but when you chase purpose, women chase you. Stop seeking validation, build value, let attention come naturally. Habit number 3, no mission, no direction. Here's something most men will never admit. Women don't fall in love with men. They fall in love with the direction those men are moving. If your life has no purpose, if you have no goals, if you wake up every day with no forward motion, you become replaceable. A man with direction is magnetic. He doesn't chase. He doesn't beg. He doesn't fear losing someone because he knows he's building something worth staying for. Purpose is the foundation of attractiveness. Habit number 4, a soft mind. A soft mind is a silent killer. It avoids discomfort. It avoids discipline. It avoids responsibility. But here's the hard truth. A soft mind creates a soft life. And soft men don't attract women. Women are biologically drawn to resilience, not muscles, not money, not height. Resilience. When you avoid discomfort, you signal weakness. When you embrace it, you signal strength. Mental toughness is a cheat code. Habit number 5, the invisible man. Most men don't realize they're invisible. They dress messy. They don't groom themselves. They avoid eye contact. They walk with their head down. They mumble when they talk. Then they wonder why women don't notice them. Your appearance is not about being handsome. It's about showing that you respect yourself. Your posture, haircut, clothes, they are all signals. When you take care of your presence, the world responds differently. Women respond differently. Final message: wake up. Let me be honest with you. Women aren't the problem. Your habits are. Fix your energy. Fix your mind. Fix your purpose. Fix your presence. And you won't need to chase women anymore. They'll notice you on their own. Become the man your future self is proud of. If this hit you, it's because you're ready to change. Like this video. It tells the algorithm this matters. Subscribe. so you don't fall back into the old version of yourself. And comment the one habit you're fixing first. Don't watch this twice. Apply it